guys, and welcome back to Building a House in California. So we are done now with the rough-in for our HVAC system. It's all put in. It looks like a lot of stuff, a lot of work for those guys. John Berger here in Yuba City did our heating and air system, or has done the rough-in portion of it so far. Yeah, so we're really happy with them. They worked hard and got things done quickly. The furnace that they put in for us, they put 2 furnaces in, and they both have an annual fuel utilization efficiency, if that's not a mouthful, rate of 97%. So what that means is that 97% of the fuel that is used will create usable heat in the home. So that's a really high efficiency rate. We're very happy with that. Some of them are all the way down to 80%. So compared to the 97% that we're going to have, it'll be a very efficient system. So if someday we ever decide to go off grid, which we've thought about, that would be a good thing to have. So let me go ahead and show you some videos of what the rough-in HVAC system looks like so far. We don't have our condensers yet. I think that's something that will be put in during the finish work for the HVAC system, but I'll go ahead and show you the furnaces and everything that was put in to go with them. Thank you for watching Building a House in California. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button. Thanks guys, we'll see you soon.